In this video, I'll show you how to control the layout and structure of your PDF using simple drag and drop tools. So to get started, you want to go ahead and open your PDF design inside of the PDF editor like we have right here. Then on the left-hand side, you'll see these different elements that we can add, and all we have to do is drag and drop any basic element like a heading onto the page. For example, I drag it over and I'm going to drop it right there. Now, once it's on the page, we can click and drag this element to reposition it exactly where we want it. Right now, it's not really centered in my page, so I'm just going to click and drag and drop it right there, and that looks pretty good to me. Now, to resize this element, you can grab it from the corner where this little box is, and we can adjust the width or the height by simply dragging it, and when we release the cursor, it's going to lock into place just like so. And then we can click and we can drag it again to reposition it just how we want. Now, you can do the same thing with all of the other elements, such as the images, text fields, signatures. You simply just drag it in there. You can resize it, move it around just as you wish, okay? For now, I'm going to delete that image. Now, after positioning the element where you want it, we're going to click on it. And once we click on it, we can select the gear icon just underneath, or we can select the paintbrush icon on the right-hand side. Let's go ahead and click on the gear icon. And from here, you can fine-tune the element styles, including the font family, the font size, the different colors, the spacing, alignment, and the column structure. All of that from the gear setting, and then if we go inside of the paintbrush and we go to element style, this is where we can adjust the line spacing and so forth. So let's go ahead and go back inside of this gear icon. Let's go ahead and change this to say utility bill. Let's go ahead and center that. And let's go ahead and increase the font size to a 24. Let's go a little bit bigger than that. Let's scroll down here to maybe a 48. There we go. That's looking a lot better there. And then once we have these changes made, we can click on Preview PDF to review the final structure that we have done here. And you'll see a clean, polished layout that looks exactly like the way that you designed it. And that's it. With full layout control, you can design professional PDFs with precision and ease. Thanks for watching, and explore more Jotform PDF Editor features, and we'll see you in the next video.